Hi guys, this is Andre from CMI, and today I'm going to answer one of your questions that we got through our website. Someone is asking us if we think, or specifically myself, if I think that AI is the new electricity. I think AI is indeed the new electricity, and the reason behind that is that once you have a system that is capable of getting an input, processing it such that it's aware of the context and the information content of that input, and then it's also capable of making a decision or an action, you pretty much have a way to do away with most of the tasks that people are doing across all industries. So using this definition, I believe you can replace any human activity that fits within this pattern of some sort of input, some sort of processing, leading to some sort of action or decision to be made. But what I think we're far from actually having is a system that will replace the human beings. It's not the case that an AI system will replace us pretty soon, because we still have something that a machine finds very difficult. And that something is creativity, and it's deductive reasoning, and also it's to do with our emotions. And the way you put them together in a human being, they result in pretty substantial and impressive things that we can do as humans. We might not be the best at calculating stuff, at running large computations very quickly, but we are very good at taking two disparate pieces of information, that might not have anything in common, and then putting them together and creating something amazing. Or we are capable of empathy, which in a lot of situations can save either a company, or it can save lives, or whatever you want. It can transform how we interact. So AI, yes, new electricity, is going to change industries, especially is going to transform how we work in those very prescribed domains where you have input, some processing, output, and either a decision or an action. But we're far from replacing humans. This is it for now, and I hope you liked my answer. If you did, please share, subscribe, and see you next time.